And there's one thing that you also mentioned. If you dance with a partner, especially if it's someone new that you haven't danced with before, or maybe just once or twice. You don't. I mean, you start easy, of course. It's like getting to know each other. So the first song, just it's like getting acquainted, and then somewhere along the lines in the tanda, you can go deeper into the feeling, or do perhaps, if it works, more complicated steps, or wherever you want to go. So yeah, you need some time for that. You don't do crazy stuff in the first song. Well, some people do, but you shouldn't do it.
Right, it's kind of like networking. There are those networking events where everybody's just, hi, how are you? My name is, and that's it. You change, right? And you never really get to know anybody, right?
Yeah,
So the full
you need time for
tanda
that.
gives you that time, right?
Yeah, exactly.
For those of you who have been dancing tango for years, but you feel that you can't quite capture the essence of it and step up to the next level, still struggling to communicate in the language of tango. And for those of you that are just at the beginning of your tango journey, maybe not even taken a class yet because it's intimidating and you are not sure if it is for you. Never before has this ensemble of tango experts came together to reveal the unique and ever-changing thought process behind teaching, learning, sharing, and evolving Argentine tango. The Tango Secrets Summit will give you a glimpse into full understanding. It will allow you to attain unattainable, even if just for a second.